Testing. Hello. Today we are gonna be making Curion. Okay, so first I gotta get the SD card out of here. I'm using Sweet Potato by Libre computers. I don't know, I couldn't afford a Raspberry Pi. Here it is. Okay, we can see it. That's good. Assuming this is the mouse, right? Yeah. Okay. I think I see what I need to do. I'll have to change it from here to the actual screen, so you guys won't be able to see this part. Alright, so I may have found the issue. Oh my god, they just have them here. That's so much easier. Bro, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna install the desktop. That's way too much. I just installed the desktop. Okay, so this is the test. Basically, I figured it out. It should display on the screen. Good. Hopefully this works this time. Okay, yes. I don't know what I clicked. I just clicked it. I know it went to a boot screen. Oh, that's good! That's good! It's doing it! It's booting! Yeah! Oh, yes! Yes, I'm in. I can't read a single word on this screen, but I'm in. That's all I've ever wanted. Yes! Oh, this thing is fast. I'm not even sure if it'll run Curion. Blink, 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 blink. You're doing something. Show me on the screen, please, man. I suppose I will. Leave it for a few hours and see what happens. In the video first. I hate to do it. I have to bring Jason into this.
Fuck you need, little boy.
Jason.
What?
There was a small issue. With the Raspberry Pi thing.
What one?
I hate to say it, but I need your help.
What? Bitch.
Alright, I'm gonna share my screen, alright?
The fuck you need?
I'm gonna share my screen, alright?
Yeah, I understood that, but the fuck you need?
I'm gonna show you the issue, on a very, very tiny... Can you see this?
The fuck do you need?
I'm gonna show you the issue. I need you to help me with the issue, Jason.
Okay, then what the fuck do you need? In that case, what OS are you using?
That's good, it's doing it! I'm using Ubuntu. Yeah!
Ubuntu. It might actually just be Ubuntu, because I haven't tried that.
No, dude, this one is very weird, because it requires a special version of it and shit. Oh, yes! Yes, I know. So here's what it does. Watch this right here.
Valorant. So how about this, bud? You just fucking use a different OS and try what I said.
Dude,
or I'm not gonna help you because I'm too fucking lazy.
No, please, watch. It does this loading screen, then it just goes to the pure purple background and does nothing.
Have you figured, because you're running something that's not meant to run on a fucking Pi usually?
Oh, it's meant to run on a Pi, man.
Is it the Pi version?
It's not the Pi version, it's the
How much gigabytes does your one you're using now have?
Huh?
How much RAM does your current one have?
2 gigabytes.
That's the lowest option, right?
Yes.
That's possibly why. Now go fucking install a different OS, bitch.
Fair enough, Jason. I will do
care.
that.
You're doing something.
But first, what OS do you recommend?
Anyone but that. Now fuck off.
Alright, I'll see you, man.
I'm actually, don't leave. I'm really lonely. Please spare me. I'm playing Valorant, but it's a horror game because my senses are not up to date.
Hey, welcome to MTV Crib. Okay, so I got the headset up here. Powered by the TV, it's on TV. I've already got the operating and everything on it off camera. This is Curion, by the way, Curion headset, yeah. I'm restarting it. Hopefully it should run the program at startup. Oh, I've done this before. Hopefully it doesn't fuck it up. Oh my god, please. But we will see. It's restarting. And if it runs the HUD program, good. If it doesn't, we're fucked. So, let's see what happens. I just press enter. I have that thingy. Oh, also, don't mind this. My ex broke it. Okay. Boom. We're in there. We're that far. Okay, that loaded. This is very slow. The HUD hardly runs on this. It can't even run the assistant that I added to the HUD. But, however, we'll see what will happen. Please work. Please? Do I have to run the terminal in order for it? No, I'm a bit scared. It's doing stuff. It's blinking a lot. Don't mind how I just hung that. Control. I believe that was Donatron. Oh, yes! Pro fire hazards. Curion. Proudly made with YOLO, V3, and Darknet! Yes! you doing, man? Oh, I can't really move that much now, can I? I don't have a big enough HDMI cord. So let me just like wave in front of it. I'm currently waving. That's it. This thing. A few days ago. Holy shit. What is taking this thing so long? Holy shit, this thing does not want to run it. Segmentation fault. Core dumped. Don't know what the fuck that means. Problem with Python 3.10. Sorry, Python 3.10. Unexpectedly, your computer does not have enough free memory to... No! You have memory. You have a whole 2 gigabytes. You can do it. Fuck! Well, goodbye for now. Till I have more money, I shall see you. Fuck you. Because you decided to do it. Haha.